things I wish I knew before importing from China. So guys, if you're into importation from China or you're just starting out, I need you to watch this video to the very end. To be honest, if you don't want to make some silly mistake here and there, you don't want to make the mistakes that we have made before, this is one video you do not want to skip. Ensure you watch to the end, because there are some simple mistake here and there that if you're not careful, if you don't have the right information, you will make this mistake and your money, you don't waka, you don't go. So that's why I'm sharing all this with you all on this channel. You're welcome to the channel when you around again with another video. And in this video, I'm sharing with you all 5 things I wish I knew when I was starting importation 6 years ago. I wish my coach, my mentor told me all of this, but I didn't have this information. So number 1, my people, without any wasting of time, is don't conclude on the quality of items on 1688 based on that picture you're seeing on the home page. This is a stern warning. Don't conclude on the quality of any item you see on 1688 based on the picture that the supplier has on his or her home page. You see those beautiful pictures that you just be scrolling, those pictures are so good. Don't conclude on the quality of that item based on that picture, because those pictures have been edited, they've been photoshopped, they've done everything to make those pictures look so good. So if you're buying stuff from 1688 and you're just seeing pictures, you're like, oh, this is a very beautiful bag, this bag will be so strong. My lady, when that bag enters Nigeria, you'll be shocked. Why am I saying this? Some of you are, newbies and you don't know how to check reviews. These days on 1688, if you want to buy items, forget about the pictures you're seeing on the home page. Move down to the description part. That is where you will see the juicy part of everything. That is where the supplier will tell you things you need to know about that bag. Is it a mini or a very tiny size? Is it midi? Is it big? If you're seeing it on the home page, those pictures is looking big, is looking beautiful. But when you scroll down the description, you all know where the description is, right? You would see the size. They always leave the dimension. You will see the size. Now with that size, you should be able to put your tape down to know if it's something that is worth it. Now aside from that description part, you can equally check reviews. These days, most customers, when they buy, they come back again to drop picture reviews. So now when you are reading reviews, either positive or negative, on some of these reviews, you will even see real-time picture from customer's camera. That will go a long way to tell you if that product is of good quality or not. In fact, if there are no reviews on that page and you're still not convinced, my sister, my brother, go to the supplier's DM, message the supplier and request for a live video or picture. They will send it to you, and to your greatest surprise, they'll not send you one picture and like, these 2 pictures are not correlating. Yes, they will not correlate, because you're not meant to conclude with that picture you're seeing on the home page. This is for most suppliers. Some manufacturers, you will notice that they take picture themselves. I mean, that is why it's good to buy from direct source. That is why it's good to buy from direct suppliers. Anyway, note this first point, very important. Second thing I wish I knew before I started is, when a product is ridiculously cheap, it is a red flag already. To be honest, when you go on to 1688 and you find out that a particular product is abnormally cheap, let me use that English, like it's not making sense, it is a red flag already. Most of you, because they've told you that, oh, things are too cheap, you will buy them, sell them with 5 times your, all those in a wash. If you see a product that is too cheap to be true, as in the price is not making sense, please, it is a red flag. There are loads and loads of people that are all sellers that are on there to grab your money and nothing more. To grab your money and nothing more. And I'm going to tell you guys that I've fallen victim before. Yeah, I have. That is why if I'm explaining things like this about 1688, I do it with everything in me, because I don't want any of you to, experience this. It is the hard truth. There are loads of people or loads of sellers on that 1688 platform that are not there to sell anything. They don't have any product to sell. They'll just go and get pictures, videos, post it on there, and When you make payment to them, they disappear, they stop replying you, they block you everywhere. You will not hear from them again. Especially those of you that are so fond of making payments outside of the 1688 app. People are the one that usually fall victim to this, this type of suppliers. So this will take me to my point number 3. Ensure that when you're buying stuff from 1688, please make payments on the platform and remain on the platform. Should in case you fall victim of all these, sellers that are there to just zam with your money. I don't want to call them the name they are known with. Do you understand? But you get where I'm going to. Now, if you make payments on the platform, either with your Alipay account or your Naira or your dollar card, whichever means you're using, once it is 2-3 days and this supplier has not shipped out your item, you can go ahead and request for refund ASAP, and your money will be refunded to you. 1688 has like a 7 days policy that when you pay a supplier or when you pay for a particular product, that money doesn't go straight into the supplier's account right away. It is being held by the 1688. How would I explain it now? It doesn't just go straight into the merchant's account. No, the system still keeps the money to know if the supplier is going to send your item or if you're going to request for refund. If you notice that day 1 has passed, day 2 has passed, you even give the supplier grace, day 3 has passed and nothing, you go to their message, you go to their DM, ask how far, no any reasonable response, you go ahead and apply for refund. Your money will bounce back. If it's Alipay, you will get your money almost immediately. If it's your Naira card or your dollar card you're using, you will get your money within 7 to 10 days. Within 7 to 10 days, you will get a notification that your money is on the way, so they will refund you back your money. The dangerous part is when you go ahead and you make payments outside of this 1688. You will see the sellers asking you, are you on WeChat? Are you on WhatsApp? Can you continue on WhatsApp? Now, because you think WhatsApp is convenient, you go ahead and leave the 1688 platform, go to WhatsApp, go to WeChat, and then after you must have finished telling them what you want to buy, they've totaled everything for you, you will see the same supplier sending you their Alipay code. Once you make payment to that code, most times they will stop replying your message. So best thing for you, remain on the platform. You are protected on there. There's a coverage on there for you. Do you understand? Don't fall victim of all these suppliers. I know you get me. The 4th thing I want to share with you all is sizing. See, this size chart, the Chinese size chart, is actually different from the UK and the US and Nigeria size chart. So if you're buying fashion items and these fashion items are items that work with sizes like shoes, clothing and the rest of them, please ensure you're reading their size chart down in the description. Don't just go to order and then you're ordering, maybe you see size, a particular shoe size 36, and you think it is exactly normal size 36. No, it is not. For most of these suppliers, it is not. These Chinese people, they are, you get what I'm saying? So don't expect that their size 36 will fit a Nigerian size 36. No, sometimes they have normal fitting. So the best thing for you is to go down the description and then you look at their size chart. If it's not there, message the seller, tell him or her to send you their size chart so you'll be able to compare. Do you get what I'm saying? We make use of UK sizing most of the time. So if they give you their own Chinese sizing, you compare it with the UK sizing so that you know what you're buying. You will go and make mistakes, especially those of you that are doing pre-order. Maybe your customer will tell you they want a particular dress in size 16 or even size 14, and then you go on 1688, you're seeing size 16. Our normal size 16 is their own size 12, or even, no, it's not even 14, it's their size 12. So if you're not looking at their size chart, you will make mistake. And when the item comes here, you cannot return it back. If it's pre-order you did, you're already stranded. Do you understand? So please always refer to the size chart. Always check the size chart. If you don't see the size chart in their description, request for it. or you ask the supplier, is this normal fitting? Normal fitting is normal. If it's not normal fitting, he or she will tell you take one size higher or even two size higher than what you're seeing there. Do you understand? Size is very important. I think I'll be giving you 6 instead of 5. The fifth thing I want to talk about is decide on what you want to buy before going on 1688 app. This one, I'm still guilty of it up till date. You know, most times when you go on to 1688 app, you're just scrolling. You'll be seeing lots of beautiful things. You'll be seeing lots of things. And if you're not concentrated on what you want to buy, you see yourself placing order for other things which, you know, you did not prepare yourself to buy. For instance, I want to buy things for my business and I go on to 1688, I'll see something different, you know, different household items, and I'll just be adding to cart because they are beautiful, and at the end of the day I end up paying for those things, and I'm like, how? So if you're like me, please decide on what you want to buy before you go on there, so that you don't use up your money thinking, oh, I still have money pay, and then you want to now pay for the main thing that brought you on to 1688 and your money is gone. Payment is no longer going through. Okay. This one, you just have to discipline yourself when you go on to 1688. If you're that person that, you know, you're just seeing beautiful things and you want to have them now and then, and you want to have them now, you get me? Now, the last but not the least, I actually wrote everything down. That is why you're seeing me looking down. You know, if you are on my other channel where we talk about YouTube, how to grow, how to start, I explained all of this. Scripting is very important. Even if you are a pro, you need to script out your content so that, you know, you'll be able to ensure that I am on track, I am saying what I want to say, not just rambling here and there. So point number 5 is, or the fifth thing, or the number 5, whatever, however the English is, just this is number 5 or number 6. Prioritize quality over quantity. Now, this is so important, especially for newbies. Sometimes when you come onto 1688, you will see items that are cheap and, you know, you just want to buy them. Most times, you go ahead and buy those products, bring them here, the quality will be whack, the quality will be zero. There's a particular footwear I bought 2 years ago, a particular very fine shoe. Up to date, I could not sell even one of them. Why? The quality was rubbish. The quality was nothing to write home about. It was, you know, the price is good, not like ridiculously cheap, right? But the price was good, but the quality was nonsense. So please, prioritize quality over quantity when you're shopping on 1688. Now, you may be asking, Oni, I'm just seeing this product, how am I going to tell if the product is of good quality and all that? That is why you need to be checking your reviews, very important. That is why you need to be checking the repurchase rate. You know, repurchase rates, right? That is why you need to be checking repurchase rates. That is why you need to be checking live pictures. Do you understand? All of these are important. All of these are important, and that is why we have gone the extra mile to make things so easy for you. We have a particular PDF that we're selling currently that has over 70 plus manufacturers contact or manufacturers store. All these manufacturers on 1688. Now, these are suppliers that we have bought from before. That is to say, we have tried them, they are trusted, they are direct manufacturers and not like middlemen here and there. They are direct manufacturers. We have over 70 plus, ranging, I mean, different products, fashion, shoes, kiddies, adult clothing for kiddies, adults, household items, a whole lot. Okay, 70 plus direct manufacturers. That particular PDF or that particular course is on seller. So once you click on the first link you see down in the description of this video, you can go grab yours. I mean, if you don't want to do tinini with your money on 1688, you don't want to do try your luck with your money on 1688, you just want a direct source that is tested and is trusted, that you can just go directly to and buy from. I'll just leave like a rundown of what we have here for you on the screen. You can go grab that on seller. You're getting that for 25,000 naira only. Now, 25,000 naira only. Click on the link you see down in the description, go get yours, or you send us a WhatsApp message and we'll get that across to you. As a bonus, when you go ahead and pay for that, you'll be seeing a video that will show you exactly how to make your purchase on 1688 and pay with your bank card. Some of you are still struggling with paying with your local bank card, I mean your Naira bank card. you can use it on 1688. We have a video there, and we also included I think 2 to 3 contacts of legit trusted shipping companies that you can use to bring down your items. So if you don't want to, do this and this, that and that, go get that course. A whole lot. If you want bags manufacturers, clothing manufacturers, shoes, wares for ladies, adults, men, women, different items, my people, electronics and all that, we have that link for you. Go grab it on Seller, click on the description, click on the title of this video, it will take you down to the description. It is going for 25k only. So these are the things I wish I knew. I wish somebody had this type of list, so I would just go ahead and start buying direct without having to stress and verify suppliers one after the other. I mean, just go grab yours. You will be glad you did. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, share, leave comments, and I'll see you all in the next one. I love you.